Greetings to you all. This is Professor Anand, presently working for Geetham University. Formerly, I was in Christ University, Lavasa, Pune, and I taught for MBA, BBA students in National Stock Tourism Hospitality Management as an associate professor and head of the department about 10 years. And earlier, I was Vidya Vikas Institute of Technology, High Tech College of Engineering, and Peace Jayanti PG College. I have been teaching this marketing subject from the past 20 years to the MBA and BBA students, and I have an exposure with practicalities as a director for EY Infotech for more than 2 years, which is a software training and development center. I have been observing marketing practices from past 23-25 years, how this marketing concept has been evolved. I am publishing this video for the benefit of MBA students, BBA students, and industry practitioners, the basics of marketing concept. Let me share the PowerPoint screen. So this is the beginning of the marketing concept, basics of marketing and marketing management. Let us begin with the definition of the marketing, which is given by Philip Kotler. Marketing is a societal process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating, offering, and freely exchanging products and services of value with others. So, marketing subject was evolved to exchange of goods and services with each other. As you know that the beginning of our economy or a history, so there was a barter system. People used to satisfy their needs by exchanging their goods with each other. Suppose a person producing some vegetables of tomatoes. So he brings tomatoes to the market. Whoever is selling paddy will be exchanging of value with each other. That is exchange of goods. So later on, the currency has been evolved. So for every product, there is some value, that is market value. So people are exchanging and purchasing and creating value with each other and exchanging the products. That is the way the customers or public are getting the products and services. So over a period of time, marketing subject has been evolved into different stages. Let me explain one by one how this marketing concept has been evolved. First is production concept. So let me give you the basic definition or meaning of a production concept. The basic proposition of the production concept is that customers will choose products and services that are widely available and are of low cost. So business is mainly concerned with making as many units as possible by concentrating on producing maximum volumes. Such a business aims to maximize profitability by exploiting economies of scale. So according to the production concept, earlier days of our economy, the consumers or customers have very low income. It may be individual or it may be family, because agriculture was not yet so developed. There was no industrial manufacturing. and jobs also very less. Moreover, basically, people don't have minimum educational qualifications or facilities also. There were no education institutes also. Very few number, one or two education institutes only. So people are living with a very low income group, low income levels, and they don't have purchasing power also. So in those days, the concept of marketing is the companies has to produce maximum number of products. Moreover, those products should be available to the consumers or customers. Another one, those products should be at low cost. Then only the customers or consumers can purchase the product. So that is the basic concept of the production marketing. That shows that in production concept, the company has to produce maximum. That's what we call it as the economies of scale. If you produce more, the cost of the production can be reduced. The product cost should be, price should be reduced. Then it should be available to the consumers. For a period of time, the second concept is product concept. So now people are getting income levels. The agriculture is giving more number of output. The people are getting money into their hands. Now the focus is the customers are interested towards the products. A product which is having a more number of features. That means product quality, product variety, product color, the style of usage. So let me read this, the product concept. This orientation holds that consumers will favor those products that offer the most quality, product performance, or innovative features. Managers focusing on this concept concentrate on making superior products and improving them over time. They assume that buyers admire well-made products and can appraise quality and performance. However, these managers are sometimes caught up in a love affair with their product and do not realize what the market needs. So, marketers or managers in the product concept, they focus more on product quality, product improvement, product innovation rather than customer needs. That is the underlying meaning of a product concept. Third concept of marketing is selling concept. So let me explain you what exactly the selling concept. This is another common business orientation. It holds that consumers and businesses, if it left alone, will ordinarily not buy enough products. The organization must therefore undertake an selling and promotion effort. This concept assumes that consumers typically their buying inertia or resistance and must be coaxed into buying it. So according to this selling concept, the consumers will not purchase the product if there is no enough promotional effort. That means advertising, publicity, promotion. If companies are not putting their efforts, managers are not putting their efforts in the promotional area, then customers will not purchase. So that is the selling concept of the marketing. And fourth one is marketing concept. This is a business philosophy that challenges the above three business orientations. Its central tenets crystallized in the 1950s. It holds that the key to achieving its organizational goals consists of the company being more effective than competitors, creating, delivering, and communicating customer value to its selected target customers. The marketing concept rests on four pillars: target market, customer needs, integrated marketing, and profitability. So marketing concept focus on we need to identify the target market and the needs of the customers need to be identified, and manager has to communicate about the product to the target customers. That's what we call it the integrated marketing, and focus on profitability. So these are all the major focus points or key points in marketing concept. Another one is societal marketing concept. So let me explain you the basic definition of the societal marketing concept. This concept holds that the organization's task is to determine the needs, wants, and interests of target markets and to deliver the desired satisfactions more effectively and efficiently than competitors. So additionally, it holds that this all must be done in a way that preserves or enhances the consumers and the society's well-being. So societal marketing focus that the managers has to deliver a product of the company's product than competitors' product. And moreover, they should focus on consumers and society's well-being. Well-being. Now that's what nowadays we are talking about green marketing. So green marketing shows that there should be a balance in ecological balance, or there should not be any pollution about your product. That means the marketers has to focus on well-being of the society. Then only the customers will purchase the product. And let me share or explain some basics of the marketing or a market. So you can ask me, oh, sir, what is meant by market? Very simply, I can explain you. Market is a place where buying and selling activities takes place. Suppose Hyderabad is a market for IT market. Chennai is a market for leather market. Mumbai is a market for some film industry or something shipping market. That means market is a place where people come for to purchasing and selling, or selling and purchasing takes place. And Mumbai also famous for share market. That means people will purchase shares and sell the shares. So both selling and buying will take place, a place called market. So nowadays, not only a geographical area market means, now it is a online markets also, just like Amazon. Amazon has a market which is online. So people are purchasing and selling through online. So the concept of market has been redefined right now. Who is a marketer? Market is someone seeking a response from another party called prospect. So a company who is seeking the customers for their product is called as marketer. What exactly needs? Needs are basic human requirements. So let me tell you, according to Abraham Maslow, the basic needs are water, food, clothing. So these are all the basic needs. So like this, then there's a question called what is meant by wants. These needs become wants when they are directed to specific objects. Suppose a customer wants a Kinley water. There's a want. A customer wants to take his breakfast only from Kamath Hotel or a Taj Hotel or a Daspalla Hotel. So this is called a specific need is called as a want. Then there is a question called demand. What is meant by demand? Demands are wants for specific products backed up by an ability to pay. It is not just like having a wants. A person should have purchasing power. So his pocket or his cards, credit cards or debit cards should allow him to purchase that particular TV or a computer or a laptop or something else. Then next question is what is meant by value? A set of benefits they offer to customers to satisfy their needs. That's called value. So now entire business talks about value creation. So value the customer derives from a product or a service. Offering is a combination of products, services, information, and experiences. That's what offered by a organization to the customer. And lastly, let me explain the definition of the marketing management. According to Philip Kotler, marketing management is the analysis, planning, implementation, and control of programs designed to bring about desired exchanges with target markets for the purpose of achieving organizational goals. So marketing concept focuses on analysis part, planning, implementation, and controlling of programs designed to bring about desired exchanges with target markets. So this is overall basics of marketing, market, evolution of marketing, and marketing management. I hope this video will help you to understand the basics of the marketing management.